All right, guys, good day and welcome. We have this question from JAMB 2001, question 8, where we are asked to factorize 4x squared minus 9y squared plus 20x plus 25. Now, we'll dive into our question quickly by writing solution. Write solution. Next, we copy out our expression 4x squared minus 9y squared plus 20x plus 25. Now, in order for us to solve this, we regroup our expression as a trinomial. That is, we write our expression equal to 4x squared plus 20x plus 25 minus 9y squared. This is done in order to make our work much easier. Now we take note of the following: that our value for A equal to 4 plus 4, and the value for B is equal to plus 20, while our value for C is equal to plus 25. Now, since our value for A is not equal to 1, we proceed to look for our value for AC. Now, AC, we have a 4 times 25, and this gives us 100. Now, we look for two factors of 100 that's our value for AC, that when added gives us our value for B, which is a 20. Factors of 100 that when added gives us 20. These are plus 10 and plus 10, because 10 times 10 gives us 100, and 10 plus 10 gives us 20. Therefore, our expression 4x squared plus 20x plus 25 minus 9y squared is equal to 4x squared plus 10x plus 10x plus 25 minus 9y squared. We notice that 10x plus 10x take the place of 20x. Therefore, proceed and we factor out 2x from 4x squared plus 10x. We factor out 2x and we're left with a bracket open, 2x plus 5 bracket close. Now we have a plus 10x plus 25. Here we factor out plus 5. Factor plus 5. And we're left with 2x plus 5 bracket close minus 9y squared. Continue. We have a bracket open, 2x plus 5 bracket close, bracket open, 2x plus 5 bracket close minus 9y squared. Now we notice that 2x plus 5 appears twice, hence we can rewrite our expression as bracket open, 2x plus 5 bracket close squared minus 9y squared. Now quickly we notice that our expression resembles that of a difference of 2 squared. Resembles that of a difference of 2 squared. Hence, this is equal to bracket open 2x plus 5 bracket close square minus 9 is the same thing as 3 squared. So I have a bracket open 3y bracket close square. Solving for that, we have this to be equal to bracket open, 2x plus 5 bracket close minus bracket open 3y bracket close bracket open 2 bracket open 2x plus 5 bracket close plus bracket open 3y bracket close. Proceed further. We have bracket open 2x plus 5 minus times 3y. For us to open our bracket, we end up having minus 3y bracket close bracket open 2x plus 5. Now plus times 3y, we have a plus 3y bracket close. Just proceed to make our answer pretty much look like what we have in our option. That's for those who have the question paper with them. And doing that, we have bracket open 2x, we have minus 3y coming forward, we have plus 5 backward, bracket close, bracket open 2x plus 3y plus 5 bracket close as our final answer. Thank you.